Hi guys, okay, Namaskar, Stepita channel once again with the energetic part 26. Those who did not go through previous parts, please go through it, trigonometry and playlist various videos for best knowledge. Now we are going to introduce the old but interesting for componendo and dividendo. This we are going to apply in our trigonometry problem. Okay, componendo dividendo 6th and 8th classes we have gone through various competitive examinations. That principle here we are applying. So let us go through it now. So hope that you will watch the complete video without skipping. Have the look here. So solution, what is given? 3 tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Then prove that 2 cos of A plus B is equal to cos of A minus B. From this you have to derive this one. You have to get the result of this one. So let us consider now. So given or consider, what is the given part? 3 tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So by quotient formula of trigonometry, here I can write the ratio. So 3 into tan A is sin A by cos A, and here it is sin B by cos B is equal to 1. So shifting or transposing here 3 to RHS, I can write here sin A upon cos A into sin B upon cos B, which is equal to 1 upon 3. So to get the result, so where to apply and how to apply. Here also, here itself we can apply, but you may not get this result. So to get this result here, take out the reciprocal here. I am taking the reciprocal, nothing but cos A into cos B by sin A into sin B is equal to 3 by 1. Now, here by applying the concept or the principle of componendo and dividendo, we can get it. So, let us go through it now. Here, applying the componendo dividendo here, nothing but if A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So, this I can write now here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, A plus B by A minus B. So here cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. So LHS is completed, RHS 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So let me write the principle, because some of the slow learners are those who are lack of here component and dividendo, you can go through it. So now A by B by C by D is equal to, implies by component and dividendo, I can write here A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This have been applied. Okay, this is A and this is B, and this is C and this is D. So A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So this is one of the important principle according to that I have done. So half and major part has been completed, and RHS is nothing but it's a simple fraction, just adding and subtracting here. Now let us go through here LHS. If you keenly observe here with the we have the formula, okay, compound angles. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, I can write it as this one here, cos of A. Since you have here plus, I can write A minus B here, and cos of A plus B is equal to 4 by this I can write 2. So be aware while writing cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B, but not cos of here A plus B. So they are different. So please keep it in mind, and once and twice. So this implies, now I can write cos of A minus B by cos of A plus B is equal to 2 by 1. Now let us check our result. 2 times of cos of a plus b. Nothing but by cross multiplying I am going to get here 2 cos of a plus b. So this into this, next this into this. So 1 into this one is nothing but cos of a minus b. Because 1 into something is that one. I think so we got our result. So don't be panic in the examination. They may not give this one. But here with the basic knowledge you have to analyze the question, how to proceed. There may be other methods, okay. So this is one of the important and interesting application of componendo and dividendo which you learn in arithmetic, business mathematics, commercial maths, okay, that have been applied, and this is the principle here. Just you have to remember this one and formula and question formula of tan theta. So once you have the total look of this, starting, and this is the conclusion. Okay, I can write now hence proved. So hope you are getting the best knowledge with my videos, video by video. Okay, with your encouragement I am here. So after watching you can have your compliments and encourage the teachers, lectures, mentors, whoever it may be. Okay. Signing out. See you in the next video session. Have a great day.